What's up, guys? We got some pretty big news. Well, rumors suggesting that AMD might just skip the high end of the Radeon RX 8000 series or the RDNA4 GPU series, right? So, uh, yesterday a rumor surfaced regarding AMD's plans for the Radeon RX 8000 GPUs, prompting us to investigate further. While some uncertainty remains, multiple sources have echoed similar claims. Okay, so the rumor originated from a tweet by Kepler suggesting that AMD might not release a high-end RX 8000 GPU. However, the tweet lacked specific details about the changes in AMD's roadmaps. Other sources indicated that this development might impact two specific GPUs, Navi 41 and Navi 42. Interestingly, Navi 41 GPU was first mentioned 3 years ago, but it now appears that AMD has decided to cancel further development right before the tape-out phase. It seems AMD might be shifting its focus towards the mid-range segment once again, right? With the introduction of new successor to RDNA3 architecture. This move would bring AMD back to its roots when the company prioritized the mid-range segment with RDNA1 and Polaris. And here's a couple tweets. First one's from Kepler saying, Navi 4 lineup will not have any high-end GPUs. Think of RDNA1 or Polaris generation. Next tweet stated that Navi 43 and Navi 44 survive. Another person tweeted, it's almost public knowledge now and probably will be eventually, but congratulations guys, you did it. The way things are going soon, there really will be only one desktop GPU manufacturer left, just what you all wanted. Suggesting that AMD doesn't really sell much. Intel's still like new to the discrete GPU arena, and Nvidia just sells like hotcakes on there. They'll be the only ones left. That's what they say. Let's continue reading though. Nevertheless, there are still rumors circulating about a potential RDNA3 refresh featuring more capable GPUs. Some claims even suggest that the inclusion of 3D V-cache technology on the RDNA3 GPUs. Additionally, there are speculations about AMD developing the RDNA 3.5 architecture for desktop deployment, while others believe it might be exclusively for next-gen Ryzen 8000 series integrated graphics. Despite these speculations, AMD does have plans to expand its presence in graphics architecture through next-gen APU designs. These APUs will likely power upcoming handheld devices and high-end consoles. As far as official information goes, AMD claimed to retain sustained performance leadership while discussing its RDNA4 architecture. So yeah, a lot of rumors, guys, a lot of speculations, a lot of leaks. Who knows what to believe, but according to these rumors and leaks, they're saying that AMD is basically going to throw in the towel in the high-end market, like the high-end tiers, GPUs, and focus on APUs, integrated, focus on mid-range, AI. They're having trouble competing at the high end, and it kind of makes sense. So in summary, while the rumor about AMD's high-end Radeon RX 8000 GPUs lacking specific details, various sources indicate possible shift towards mid-range segment with the new RDNA3 successor, possibility of an RDNA3 refresh. So we have a RDNA4, which is only going to be competing with mid-range and below, not the high end. We have an RDNA3 refresh, which I think they're calling 3.5, with with advanced GPUs and potential use in next-gen Ryzen integrated graphics is also being discussed. AMD's ongoing focus on next-gen APU designs further supports their commitment to expanding their presence in graphics architecture. AMD is definitely here to stay, but enthusiasts may need to consider other options in the future. Interesting. AMD did not comment on the matter. Scott Herkelman did not reply to our tweet asking for confirmation. We will update this post should that change. So yeah, guys, as you can see right here, man, we have RDNA1, RDNA2, RDNA3, and we're back to just the 7 series or 700 class GPUs and below, which is, yeah, look at this trend, guys. Like, they start like this, they try to perform, they try to they try to compete at the high end, and they're back down here. So if these rumors are true, these leaks or whatever, it kind of makes sense because honestly, guys, if you guys remember the Polaris series architecture, the Radeon 500 series, I would say this AMD probably sold a lot of these Radeon GPUs. They might be the highest selling ones from Radeon because, like, let's look at the, what was it, 580. 580 was a great card, man. It was a great card. It was $203 for 8 gigs at the time. That was amazing. All right, that was amazing. And then you had the RDNA1 series, which was also, like, as you can see, it just went up to the RX 5700 XT. Well, yeah, right here, right, and that was all, what, $400. That's amazing. What an amazing card. So yeah, if you look right here, these are the most popular GPUs on Tech Power Up. Look, it has a RTX 470, RTX 490, then it has a the RX 580 Polaris. All right, 6700 XT, 5700 XT. See that? RX 570. You see what I mean? And look, guys, Nvidia is stomping AMD in the high end, guys, in the enthusiast cars. This is Tom's Hardware GPU ranking chart, hierarchy chart. Look where the 490 is, guys. This is only 1080p, by the way. As we scale up the resolution, it gets even worse for AMD. 1440p. Look where the 490 is, guys. Still at the top. AMD can't even compete, man. 4K. Look at that. Look at the difference. 4090, 700 XTX. So AMD is charging premium prices for the high-end GPUs, even though they're second class in everything. In ray tracing, everything. Raster, everything. So you can't really be charging premium prices and you're the second class and everything because nobody's gonna buy it. Nobody's gonna buy these GPUs. Focus here, right? Focus here. This segment right here, right? Anything above, which is NVIDIA dominates. Focus right here. You can't focus in enthusiasts. First of all, you can't compete on performance. You can't compete on anything else. But you're still charging a lot, and you don't sell. So focus on where you can compete. Focus on where you're selling. It kind of makes sense, guys, right? And especially, guys, like, look, Intel's catching up. Intel is gonna catch up quick with Battle Mage Celestial Druid. So that's my video for today. What do you guys think about these rumors? I think they're gonna turn out to be true. To be honest with you, AMD Radeon has to focus on where they can compete, where they can sell, and that is mid-range, and that is with APUs, and that is with, the chips that are put in these gaming handhelds, which are taking over the future. The future is handhelds. That's where it looks. That's where it looks like it's going, right? That's where it looks like it's headed. Steam Deck, RG Ally, Lenovo has their own handheld handheld gaming device coming out. Handheld PC gaming device coming out. And yeah, I'm personally excited because I love APUs. I love, I'm loving these handhelds. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, everybody. Peace.